All right, hey guys, Brian from Combat Off-Road. Wanted to bring you in and talk about our armored LED taillight kit. We call it the Tail Gunner taillight. Basically, it is the flushest mount taillight that's offered. If you've seen anything close to it, you'll notice that they don't offer you a side marker. So these are side markers and signals, and they probably offer you like a pretty basic light. We're partnered with Grote for our lamps and our gaskets and our side markers. And they actually produce our designed wiring harness. So it's all plug and play. It's just a couple bolts and nuts and one plug and you're done. All fully CAD model design, fits perfect every time. Nice flush mount. Integration to the body panel. We have a nice foam gasket that does the perimeter, so you're not going to mess with any paint. And if you've seen any JLs, which you probably have, you'll notice there's a big dirty plastic light on the back that people destroy all the time. So this way you don't have to worry about that. And if you ever did hit it, it's 5052 stamped aluminum, so it's one piece of armor. All our hardware that mounted is all stainless. And yeah, it's just a great looking light. Huge change to the body characteristics of the vehicle. Improves anything for, any kind of side intrusion. You're not going to get that. If you guys do have proximity sensors and you're not a 97-year-old grandma, because you don't need them, you've driven your whole life without proximity sensors, we do the Z Automotive Taser and we shut those guys off. So don't forget, if you got proximity sensors, you need the Taser. It has 1,000 other options and really cool things it does, so it's well worth the value. And you don't need the damn proximity sensors. So yeah, get yourself some armor, save yourself smashing taillights, look cooler than you do. You need this JL Tail Gunner LED taillight kit. All right, any more questions? Email, phone, no fax, Instagram, Facebook, shows, trails. Come on over, we'll chat all about these guys. All right, thanks so much.